Hello world, it's Lucky. Welcome back to Moral Hazard, where we talk about guns, training, shooting, products, the whole nine. So what I have here today is going to be the first upgrade, or another upgrade. I guess you can say the light was an upgrade, the stippling was an upgrade, whatever. So what I have here is going to be my trigger upgrade for my Glock 23 Gen 4, or Gen 4 Glock 23. Now I decided to go with the Timney trigger just because I feel like the innovation itself in this thing is ridiculous. So this is what I'm gonna run. So let's open this thing up, see what comes in the package. Very well packaged, by the way. Yeah. So they got some directions in here. Ooh, stickers, nice. I'm a fan of stickers. Got my sticker board over there, which is all car stuff. But, oh, they got a whole lineup of all of their triggers. Pretty neat. I really like that logo. Looks pretty sweet. And then it looks like they might have the instructions with pictures and everything. All right, so I got everything out thus far. I mean, I've never done this before, but it seems pretty simple. The funny part is it actually came with tools to do the job. It came with tools to do the job, and I'm over here using incorrect tools. Okay, that was pretty simple. So the firearm is safe. There is nothing in there. Firearm is safe. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's crispy. Yo, that is crispy. So we got this, y'all ready? Ready? Boom. Oh yeah, that is beautiful. Let me see. A little bit of take up there. Hit a little wall. Yeah, I like it. I don't know if that wall is defined enough. That's probably why it's probably not 100% a good idea to. Let's see. All right, so we got that take up, that wall. Okay. I don't know, I think it feels pretty good. That wall is not too bad. All right, so take up, wall, break, reset, break. It's decent. I like it. I think this is gonna be a really good upgrade. I'm excited to get it out to the range to actually shoot it so that I can get used to it. Like I said, this is gonna be my carry setup for now. Hopefully it doesn't prove me wrong. If so, I'll just change it, no big deal. But so far, I'm liking it. It looks good. It feels good. It's checking all of those boxes that I look for in a trigger, something that I need. Will it work for you? I don't know. I would say that it's definitely worth it if you're looking into getting this trigger, to just go ahead and pull the trigger. See what I did there? Go ahead and pull the trigger. Go ahead and get you guys the Timney Alpha Glock trigger. Now this one here is for the Gen 3, Gen 4 variant. You guys, if you have any Gen 5s, they make one for that one as well. I don't know if they work for anything prior to 3. Probably not. Will they be making one for it? Hopefully. I would like to make a collection starting at Generation 1 to Gen 5. That would be great. For those who seen my past video, you know that I am a 40 cal guy. This is a Gen 4 Glock 23 40 caliber, which is the same exact body style as the Glock 19. It's just in 40 caliber. But I might be transitioning to 9mm, so I don't know if I want to get the 9mm setup for this Glock 23 or just go get me a Glock 19. I'm probably gonna leave this one the way it is. Get me a Glock 19, maybe a Gen 5. I don't know the difference. I'll look into it. If you guys know the difference, go ahead and leave a comment down below letting me know what the difference is, because right now, as it stands, I don't know. But I would say this was a good buy. Links will be down below. And, well, where I got it. It is kind of hard to get. I did order it through Timney at first. And then it said it was in stock. But then when I called, it hadn't shipped in like 3-4 days. They said that it was on back order. It could take 3 to 4 weeks, and I'm just like if you're saying that something is in stock, it should be in stock. That means it should be shipped within a few days. It's 2021. Not a big deal, just my personal preference. So I canceled that order. It took a whole week in order for me to get my money back on my card. They took the money immediately, but I hate how that works. Hopefully you guys would understand. If not, then maybe I just sound like, you know, I need to eat a Snickers. But either way, I got it from Sportsman's Warehouse out in Colorado, I believe it is. It didn't actually come from Colorado, which was another weird situation, but either way, Sportsman Warehouse, Colorado. The link will be down below. Seems like a pretty good company itself. The only place that had it in stock at the time of me buying it. Might be different for you. If so, I hope so. I hope that everyone can get it. This is probably gonna be, I mean, after, you know, going to the range, trying it out, if I like it, this will be like the standard trigger for me in all of my Glocks to come in the future. If I could get my hands on it again, I might buy some just to store a little bit. But without further ado, if you like the content, go ahead, like, subscribe. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to give you guys a step-by-step how to do this. I would say that the process is pretty simple. I mean, just follow the steps. They have literally pictures and writing on the side. Just make sure you don't lose any of the pieces. I almost lost a piece, or at least I thought I did, but it was sitting right here, which was weird. I got a lot of shit going on, but yeah, pretty easy, pretty self-explanatory. If you don't feel like you can go on YouTube, look up videos on how to disassemble this whole thing and put it back together, you probably shouldn't be doing this job. Am I a gunsmith? Am I the guy, the Glock guy? No, I am not. And it was pretty simple. It was straightforward. It was to the point. So read the directions, get what you need. I mean, the tools that you need, it comes with. So I think it's a very great buy, especially for the price. $150, which is what I got mine for. I think it can't be beat. Go out and get you guys one. Timney has been around forever. It's tried and true. This is a new design, so I don't know how it's gonna hold up. It's supposed to be drop safe, all that good stuff. So go out and get you one. I appreciate you guys stopping by, spending a little bit of time with me. Like I said, like, subscribe, hit the bell notification so that you're updated whenever I upload a new video. It's a wrap.